While get-rich-quick schemes can be appealing at times, the tried and true way to develop wealth is via consistent saving, investing, and patiently allowing that money to grow over time. Not sure where to begin? Continue watching this video until the end to find out where you should invest to double your fortune. Hello and welcome to the Wealth Secrets channel. Today I'm going to guide you through your investment journey. Okay, let's kick things off with the money talk. It may sound like Money 101, but trust me, it's the starting point, especially if you're just diving into this stuff. You've probably seen those charts that shout about how even a small stash of cash you put aside consistently can snowball into a nice chunk over time. But here's what those charts don't spill the beans on. How do you even get your hands on cash to stash away in the first place? There are two methods to make money: the hustle and bustle earned revenue approach and the chill and let it grow passive income route. So, earned money is what you bring in through your day-to-day activities, your work, career, or whatever keeps the lights on. Passive income, on the other hand, is money that comes in as a result of wise investments you've made. But hold your horses. Before you even consider entering the realm of passive income, you need a pot of gold to get started. Let's go on to the game plan. It's time to set some financial objectives. Consider what you will do with your fortune. Maybe retire like a champ. Make sure your kids get a good education without breaking the bank, or get the dream job. Having these goals written out is like having a plan for accumulating wealth. With a clear vision, you can begin to create a plan to make your aspirations a reality. So, first and foremost, write down your financial goals and then go for it. And here's a secret. Generating a lot of money is only half the struggle. The true key is to keep it from slipping through your fingers like sand. Yes, you must set aside part of your hard-earned cash, and not only for a rainy day. We're talking about paying your bills, maintaining a roof over your head, and stockpiling emergency supplies. So, remember this key rule. Cash flow alone won't turn you into the next Rockefeller. You've got to save, 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 especially for the stuff that matters most in the near term. Congratulations, you are about to enter the thrilling world of investing. Once you've saved some money, it's time to put it to work and see it grow. Sure, having money in savings is nice, but let's be honest. Those interest rates on conventional bank accounts is about as exciting as watching paint dry. Furthermore, the sly enemy known as inflation can gradually undermine the value of your hard-earned money. Here's your secret weapon: diversification. It may seem to be a sophisticated word, but it is your secret weapon. Consider splitting your money among several investments. It's like having a superhero team. When one has a bad day, another swoops in to save the day. Bonds are performing a happy dance if stocks are not. When it comes to equities, have you ever heard of the stock market? It's similar to a roller coaster ride, but for money. Buckle up, because if you play your cards well, you could be in for some very nice rewards. But let's be honest, for newbies, investing might feel like a minefield. But don't worry, my newcomer for that is a savior in the form of beginner-friendly investments. Hold your horses, because the juicy part is about to begin. Do you want to dip your toes into the world of investing? Here are several possible entry points. Before we get to number 1, make sure to hit the subscribe button and let's begin. HYSA stands for a high yield savings account. Call it the VIP area of savings accounts. And HYSA turns up the interest rates compared to your standard everyday savings account, which is essentially a snoozer. It uses a much better abbreviation, APY, which stands for annual percentage yield. Now, here's the real treat. You get those snazzier returns without the nerve-wracking investment risks. That's right, no need to lose sleep over market crashes or stock market roller coasters. For example, my friend Alex decided to level up with a high-yield savings account. He moved $5,000 from the regular account into the HYSA, where the higher 2.5% APY began to work its magic. Over the next year, his money grew by 125. That's extra cash they earned just by parking their savings in a better spot. No stock market roller coaster, just solid growth and peace of mind. Next up, we have 401k and Roth 401k. Many US bosses throw in a 401k as part of the job perks. It's like a retirement treasure chest, a bit of a paycheck, like say $100 can get stashed away every month. Now, here's the deal. You've got the traditional 401k, where your $100 isn't taxed right away, saving you cash today, but you will pay taxes when you are living the retired life. Then there's the Roth 401k, where you pay a bit of tax up front, but when you hit that golden age, it's tax-free fiesta time. Oh, and the sweet part, sometimes your boss plays nice. If you put in, let's say, 6% of your $50,000 salary, they might toss in $3,000, like a high five for the future. But remember, that's a cap. You can pour in up to $22,500 in 2023. Next up are short-term certificates of deposit. Imagine this, you deposit $1,000 into a 6-month CD that offers 3% APY. Boom! After 6 months, you've earned an extra $15 for parking your money in this wonderful CD clubhouse. If you don't like the hands-off vibe, consider a money market account with US banks option. You get the best of both worlds. A high APY much higher than the average savings account, and the ability to use a debit card or write a check whenever you need cash. Now, let's look at mutual funds, where your money can join forces and tap into a symphony of returns. Imagine this. Instead of putting all of your money into a single investment, you team up with others in a mutual fund. Consider it a financial potluck where you contribute and a professional chef, aka fund manager, stirs the pot. They distribute your funds among various investments such as stocks, bonds, and so on. This is where the magic happens. Meet Alex, a savvy 5,000 investor. Instead of purchasing individual stocks, individuals choose to invest in a mutual fund. The maestro, or fund manager, arranges the funds across diverse assets. Alex enjoys a piece if the stock market goes crazy. Cut to the chase. After a year, Alex's investment grows by 8%. That's an extra $400 in their pocket without lifting a finger. Next up, we have stocks, where the rollercoaster ride of risk can lead to a sweet jackpot. And here's how real-life champs have cashed in. Imagine this. You're not just picking up a stock, you are buying a piece of a company, owning a slice of its success. My friend Lisa, her eye on a promising tech company and bought 100 shares at $10 each. Fast forward to today, and those same shares are worth a dazzling $150 each. Cha-ching! Lisa's wallet just got $14,000 fatter. back to you. The idea of investing in stocks may send shivers down your spine, but here's the kicker: timing and practice with the correct moves. They can also be a path to significant riches. You're not simply purchasing stocks, you are investing in them. Last but not least, index funds. Instead of handpicking stocks, you dive into an S&P 500 index fund. Now, this fund doesn't need a manager playing stock detective. Nope, it simply mirrors the S&P 500 index, a VIP list of the 500 top performing US companies. Here's where the brilliance comes in. These companies, the Apples, Amazons, and Googles of the world, do the heavy lifting. As they rise and shine, so does your investment. For example, John pours $1,000 into an S&P 500 index fund. A few years down the road, voila, it's not up a solid 10% growth. That's an extra $100 lining his pockets. You are not just investing, you are tapping into the collective power of top players with the potential to earn while they lead the charge. Alright, picture life as this epic tournament and your ambition. Building up that sweet wealth. But hold up, before you jump into the action, size up your goals and risk appetite. And the real magic kicks in time. It's like your secret weapon. And guess what? It's got a partner in crime, compounding. Think of it as your money-making little money babies that grow up and make more money babies. Start early and you will see your wealth snowball into something massive down the road. So, if your cash is sitting around twiddling its thumb, it's time to unleash its potential. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.